Garlic chicken features pan-fried chicken thighs cooked in garlic-infused oil with a lightly soy-flavored sauce. The chicken is lightly coated with flour before cooking, resulting in a crispy exterior and juicy interior. It's an easy dinner entree cooked in no time. Thinly slice a couple of cloves of garlic to infuse the cooking oil, and grate another clove of garlic to use for the sauce. Set both aside. Next, we are going to season the chicken thighs with some salt and pepper. We are using the boneless thighs with skin, but you can also use skinless thighs. Then lightly coat the chicken with all-purpose flour. Heat the frying pan with oil and add the sliced garlic. Cook the garlic over medium heat, then remove them once they turn lightly brown and crispy. In the same pan, cook the chicken thighs. Start cooking skin side down. Cook for a few minutes until golden brown and crispy, then flip and cook the other side covered until fully cooked through. Remove the chicken and let it rest while making the sauce. In the same pan, add the grated garlic, sake, and soy sauce. The sauce is so easy but very flavorful. Cut the cooked chicken into bite-sized pieces and serve on a plate. Pour the sauce over and top with the garlic chips. You can serve any side dish with garlic chicken, salad, soup, steamed rice, or mashed potatoes. This is a great weeknight dinner that you can make with simple ingredients. Hope you try it soon.
美味しい。美味しいね。